Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Father's Day is few days away, and based on my experience, men loves cheesecake very much, and even my two sons love cheesecake more than any other cake. And since it's mango season, I'm gonna make this cake with mango flavor, and today I'm gonna share this recipe with you called Mango-licious cheesecake. So let's start making. So first of all guys, I have this oatmeal flour inside, and I have this butter, unsalted butter, 60 grams. Make sure that this one is in the room temperature, yeah. And I have this sugar. You can use white sugar, but I prefer brown sugar. It's a soft brown sugar, 20 grams. And I have this cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons. And I have these dates. I have 4 dates. So what I'm gonna do now is to de-seed this one and cut it first. Yeah, so to take out the seeds, yeah, like this. And we're gonna use the scissor. Process this, yeah. Okay. Alright, so now what we do now is we're gonna put this one in the baking pan. I have this 6 inches baking pan, yeah, and I layer it with the foil. And what we do is we just press this one in. Just put like that. Okay, now what we do now is we're gonna put this one in the oven for 15 minutes in 230 Fahrenheit, yeah. So guys, while we're waiting for our base to be ready, we're gonna make our filling, yeah. So first of all, I have this 250 grams of cream cheese, and I'm using Philadelphia cheese, but you can use your own preferred cream cheese, yeah. So it goes inside. And I have this, again, brown sugar. It's a soft brown sugar, but you can use the white sugar as well, yeah. 30 grams. Okay. Just blend it for at least 1 minute, yeah, until the cream, you can see, is smooth and will combine with the sugar. And now what we do is I have this 20 grams of cornstarch put inside, and I have this 160 ml whipping cream. It goes. Okay, and now we're gonna put just half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I have this 1 egg. I have just to slightly beat this one, yeah, just like that, and put inside, yeah. And now we whip again, just for a few seconds, yeah. Okay. And now lastly we're gonna put our mango. I have 50 grams of mango, or half of the mango, but we don't want to put too much because I don't want it to be too sweet, yeah. And we're gonna whip again. Okay. So this is it guys, our filling is ready, so we're gonna wait for our base to be ready and we put this one in, yeah. Right now I can even smell the mango, so nice. And now what we do now is I have this bigger pan, baking pan, bigger than this. I have to put this one inside, in the middle, and I'm gonna pour hot water into it, because we're gonna steam bake this cheesecake, yeah. We just put water until 3/4 of that baking pan, yeah. So now we're gonna put back this one inside the oven. So guys, earlier I thought that I can bake it for 45 minutes, but after that I extended for another 15 minutes. That means 1 hour. To make it really firm, yeah. So now what I'm gonna do now is to put the last ingredients, where I'm gonna layer a fresh mango on top, yeah. So this is it, guys. This is the final result of my cake, and I tell you, it's really worth trying this recipe, yeah. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys!